These flying human videos are going viral on Instagram right now. This page has gained 648,000 followers, and they've even pulled in 9.9 million and 30 million views on their videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Flying Human Generator and choose mine. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to give you 10 locations to choose from. You can pick a number, type your own, or just say more for more ideas. I'm going to go with number 3. Once it's loaded, the GPT will give you an image prompt and a video prompt. Just copy the image prompt and head over to Pollo AI. The link's in the description. In Pollo AI, click on Image, then paste your prompt into the prompt box. Choose Nano Banana 2 as the model. Set the output to 9:16 and 2K. Choose how many images you want, and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. They genuinely look like images out of a big budget film. They're great. So just pick the one you like and click Image to Video below it. Go back to the GPT and copy the video prompt. Paste it into the prompt box. For the model, choose Seedance, then Seedance 2.0. Set the output to 9:16, 15 seconds, and 1080p, then hit Generate. And here's the result. That slow drift over the glacier, the wind catching the hoodie, it's exactly the kind of clip that stops someone mid-scroll. And it's that simple. Here's another video I made using this method. So that's the full workflow. Pollo AI have a deal where if you subscribe to their Ultra plan, you get all of these image and video models free for 10 to 14 days. All the links you need are in the description, including my viral faceless formula guide on how I hit $1,000 a month with YouTube in under 2 months. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI niche. See you in the next one.